Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Blue Wave Cambrian 18-foot round above ground swimming pool. Turn your backyard into a cool summer escape with the Cambrian 18-foot round above ground pool. Designed for years of enjoyment, the Cambrian's pool uprights are made with extruded resin that will not rust or anodize. Its white steel wall combines durability with beautiful design, making it the perfect addition to any backyard. All necessary equipment and accessories are included for a complete and hassle-free installation. Product benefits: includes a 16mm liner, widemouth skimmer, 1 horsepower sand pump and filter system, and an A-frame ladder. Constructed from steel pool wall, has been galvanized for ultimate protection against corrosion and abrasion. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.